Okay, so we are going to continue with the how the Igbo words are being formed using the letters. So in that process, you know the English name of the Igbo words. Okay, you have in the picture there, you have this one, mortar, which is kwe, mortar. We have ikwe, mortar is ikwe in Igbo. We have house, house is ulo, underlay, house is ulo in Igbo. We have pepper fruit, pepper fruit is called mmimi, is under emo. Mmimi in Igbo is a fruit. We have banana, is called unere. So banana you eat is called unere in Igbo under eni. We have bee that gives you honey. Bee is called anu. Anu in Igbo under ni. Nye, anyu under nye. We have moon in English, or in Igbo is called onwa, under nwe, onwa. We have horse, which is called enyinya in Igbo. Horse is called enyinya in Igbo, under nye. We have rat, which is called oke, under o. We have corn, which is called oka in Igbo, under o. We will now have this one. We have orange, which is called orange. Oroma. Orange is called oroma. Well, this kind of orange may be different, but normal orange is called oroma in English, in Igbo. Oroma in Igbo. Okay. So we'll go further. We'll continue with this. Okay, we have breast, which is called ara, under r, breast, which is what? Ara. You can see the picture there. You have tree, which is called osisi, o under s, o-s-i, s-i, osisi. O-c-e-c-e, osisi. So we have crab. Crab, that animal that some river people used to eat. We call it in Igbo nchiko, it's under shi, nchiko. Ni, shi, I, ki, o, ke, o, nchiko. We have pot. It's called ite. This is ite, ite in Igbo. We have pear that you use to eat your corn or your maize. That kind of pear, we call it ube. While the one you use to eat your bread or your rice, we call it ube oyibo. Now have car. Have ugbala. Car is called ugbala in Igbo. It's u under u. We have guava. Guava you used to eat, we call it what? Guava. Under v. We have cloth, that is the clothes you wear, like your school uniform or any clothes you wear. We call it in Igbo uwe, which is under way. We have crayfish. We call it under ye. We call it ayara. Crayfish in Igbo is called ayara. You have broom, which is called aziza in Igbo, under Z or something. Aziza. Okay. What is this now? Okay, we will stop here. Next class we will continue.